लक्ष्मीनाथसमारम्भां नित्यानन्देश्वरीमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. I welcome all of you with my love and respects. I welcome everyone sitting with us all over the world. Cities sitting with us, it's a long list, so I welcome every one of you with my love and respects. Today I have one thing to share with all of you about this Soma Mandala. Listen. Sadashiva's right eye is Surya Mandala, left eye is Soma Mandala, third eye is Vanni Mandala, Agni Mandala. Vahni or Agni, both words can be used. Usually we use the word Vanni Mandala. Listen, the right eye, Surya Mandala, is responsible for power, Swayam Prakasatva, logic, penetrating, scrutinizing, dissecting, ruling. All the aggressive and active tendencies, the Ananta Kalyana Guna, the thousands and thousands of auspicious qualities Sadashiva radiates, in that all the aggressive, active qualities radiates through the right eye. Surya Mandala, love, compassion, making it happen, keeping it together, far life, pro-life. Those energies radiate through the Soma Mandala, the left eye. Understand? Romance, love, compassion, far life, keeping it together, making it happen, breaking all the obstacles. All those passive but foundational qualities for life in the Ananta Kalyana Gunas of Sadashiva, the foundational qualities for life, they manifest through the Soma Mandala, the left eye. Giving enlightenment happens, manifesting all the powers, initiation, liberation, all those activities are done through third eye. Kalabhairava and Veerabhadra have been manifested through the right eye. The powers of the right eye, the jata and nail. Subramanya manifested through the third eye. Ganesha manifested from the Soma Mandala. That is why he is remover of all the obstacles. He is always for life, pro-life. He always votes for life, pro-life. His space, his energy, joyful being. The moment you see, you can see, such a carefree, joyful being, does not diet to reduce the weight and look fit. Happy guy. and the way he is and very blissful being who goes on radiating far life energy, pro-life energy. This Soma Mandala I am sharing with all of you is the Soma energy, the moon energy of Sadashiva, Amritatva, nectar, the Ganesha energy, the energy from which Ganesha manifested. This Soma energy will remove all your obstacles and make you be here for Sadashivoham 2016 happen to you. This consists, the Soma Mandala carries the Virya, Jnananjana and Pulluruvi, all the three, programmed. See, actually all these Virya, Jnananjana, Pulluruvi, all these are like a batteries. I can infuse any energy into it and program it. So, it is specially programmed for Soma energy on the Somavara, moon day and full moon day. This time both came together on the same day, especially the big moon. After 68 years, the moon came nearest to the planet Earth, so we captured the nectar. Soma energy of Sadashiva, and it is stored, it is getting shipped to all of you. It will reach to all of you. This weekend, the program we are going to do, Introduction to Sadashivoham, starts with Chandra, who adorns Sadashiva, who resides with Sadashiva, who got the status of Anga Devata of Sadashiva. See, moon is not considered as Avarana Devata. In the Puja mantras, if you see, snakes are called as Avarana Devatas of Sadashiva, but moon is not called as Avarana Devata. He is called as Anga Devata. He is addressed as Anga Devata. See, there are different Devatas associated with any god. Anga Devata, Avarana Devata, Parsha Devata means the disciples and followers, and Vahana, Shakti. So many Devatas will be associated. Chandra is not considered as the Avarana Devata. Even though he is owned by Sadashiva, he is considered as the Anga Devata, part of Sadashiva. So, with the grace of Chandra, who is Anga Devata of Sadashiva, his energy, the Soma Mandala, will manifest. This time, the Soma Mandala will be used to awaken your Kundalini and make it stable in your system. This is going to be the next most powerful spiritual alchemy product. Understand? Still, the product is getting ready. It is not yet out. Enlightenment pill. The product is getting ready. But this Soma Mandala itself will be at least breaking all your obstacles, cleaning up all the obstacles and supporting you completely, and make Sadashivoham 2016 happen for you. So, I welcome all of you to be on the Introduction to Sadashivoham 2016 program. Coming weekend, don't miss it. Don't miss it. Be here for Introduction to Sadashivoham 2016 and Sadashivoham 2016. So with this, now I have to go and get ready to further things. All the spiritual alchemy work is going on one side, and the preparations are going on the other side. Though I think it's like a most happening spiritual city in the world. So much is happening, so much buzz. One side manifestation of powers, and the other side casting, and all the arrangements, getting the kitchen ready, deities ready, temple ready, and whatnot. And I am excited. I don't know about you guys. I am excited. I am excited for Sadashivoham. Come on. So, I bless you all. Let's all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, casting, living Shuddhadvaita Saivam, the eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you. Be blissful.